Hello, welcome back to another video. Now, as you can see, we'll be talking about one important features of Microsoft Excel. In the UI part, we have not covered that thing. As you can see, we have this particular button. So if you hover the button, it will show you the add data insights, improve formatting, and add a formula. So you can do all these tasks with the Copilot easily. This is nothing but the AI chatbot, which is designed by the Microsoft, and we can utilize it for your activity. So it will help you very quickly. For example, let me see that if you click that, it will show you let's edit your workbook. So this Microsoft Copilot having your access of your worksheet, it can edit the information, it can gather research for if there is any project, it can clean the data for professional looking table. It can also teach something related to Excel file as well. For example, I want a data like I want to add sales data with three columns. The first one is the number, the second one is the items, and third one is the amount. So if you want to do and tell them add some data, okay, and then you just click OK and then continue without saving. Click on that. If you want to save the file, then you can click the save button. So it will take some time and it will give you data. So let's wait and see how it is actually generating the data. So remember that it will take some time, and based on that it will create the data. And if you want to create some complex data as well, also it can give you that data as well. For example, you can see that it is auto generated three columns and it is showing in the table format, and the name of the table it is given that you can see that sales data. So you can see that it is opened the table design and it is showing that it is also rename the table as well. And as a response, you can see I have created your sales data table in sheet 1. Head is what I have added. So you can see sales data, which sales are used, which items they have added. Here is our numbers and here is the items. And if we'll go to the right side, you can see that it is giving the information on the dollar format. Also, if you want to do some operations that in please add the all the amounts, you can also do that in ask for it and it will give you the result. Okay, and if you want to create, any charts, any information related to that, if you want to do that, you can also do that. For example, if I want to create a chart, so there is a recommended chart. If you'll click that one, so it will create a chart. You can use the clustered column, you can use the clustered bar, you can use this kind of line bar. If you want to use this pie chart, you can use. Here is the mm, another type of funnel chart. So if you want like a clustered or this kind of amount clustered bar chart, you can create it easily. So you can see that it is showing the amount over here. So you can see the $0 to $12,000, $1,200 over here. And then you can see various types of item. It is actually showing over here, and their chart is showing. So you can copy it and you can utilize it in your presentation, and you can show it to the customer. So other than this one, if you want any customized one, for example, I want this kind of bar chart only, 2D chart only. If I want this 2D chart only, so you can use that and you can utilize it way. So for the data creation, you can use the Copilot in this way. If you want to complex data, you can mention that create it for me, and then it will create. And if you want to sum it, for example, I have the sales data, so you can mention that I have sales data, please sum the amount. Okay, so you can give a comment like that. So you can write that comment and it will give you the result. So you have to wait for it and it will give the data. So just let's wait and see how it is giving the total amount. So you can see that it is created this one, and it is summing up all the values, and it is giving the comment like that. Let me read this. So here you can see easily that I have added a sum formula to calculate total amount, and here is the result. So it is use the formula sum C2 to C11. So here is the C2 and here is the C11. So it is use the formula and given the sum. So you can do it manually as well. So let me remove it, and you can use the sum formula, and then you can grab from here to this position she want to C11, and then close your bracket, and if you'll enter it you will get the same thing. But if you don't know about any formula of the Microsoft Excel, you just ask for the question clearly to Microsoft Copilot, and it will give you the result. Also, if you want to create a bar chart, also that is possible through the command using the Copilot. So let me show you that as well. Create a bar chart with sales data. Okay, now let's enter, and it will create for you. So you have to wait for that again. So earlier that I have shown how you can create manually by going to the menu item, insert menu item, and then you can go to the charts, and then you can create, right? But here in this case, what Copilot will do, it will generate it automatically. You no need to click any button. So you can see that it is creating same as the previous one, but it is creating sales by item. It is creating the captions automatically. Also, item in one side, amount is one side, and you can see that it is created automatically, and it's giving what it has been done. That is also as a response. You can see that I have created a bar chart with the sales data, and you can see that chart is positioning over here. Position of chart also saying here are the features: chart type, then chart title, then data labels, then axis level information also it is giving, and currency principal also you can see it is showing. Currency formatted, currency displays the currencies as well here. So through this way you can easily utilize the Microsoft Copilot, this thing, your assistant, and you can utilize it very easily to manipulate data and to do the calculation very easily. So I hope now it's clear. If you have any particular question related to this, you can ask it in the comment section. I'll try to respond you as soon as possible. So for example, if you want to add a new column with a sample value, that also you can ask the Copilot that after this amount column, add one more column and give some sample values. So you can also give comment like that. So whatever you can possible, you can think, you just ask Copilot, and it will give you that particular result if it is feasible and logical. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.